Hello, my name is Brad Altman, and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video that I'm sending to you. This video has free information for you to use on how to build a bigger, better website and get ranked in the top spot in the Google search bar. As you can see, I have your website up here in front of me. You got a nice picture right up front here. You got a little bit about information, the different services you cover, and your contact information. The first thing I'd like to do is copy and paste your website into a tool called Word Count. This is a free tool that you can download off of the internet. And what I did is just copied your URL from your website and I'm pasting it in to the word count here. So it looks like you only have one word. Let me double check that. We'll try it one more time just to make sure. There we go. That's better. So that must have been one of your second pages that only had one word. So you have 288 words on your website. Now I'm going to go over here to your competition there in San Francisco. By the way, I used to live in Daly City. I really liked it there. Um, so again, I'm going to just copy and paste this into the word count. Remember, you have 288 words. Your competition has 619 words, which is a good thing for you. I know you only had 288, they have 619, almost double. But with this in mind, Google's looking for anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on a website these days. So between you and your number one competition out there, they're not standing up to where it needs to be. So it's going to be very easy for you to outrank them. So how I found your competition, here they are right here, is I just put in a keyword into the search bar. I'm sure you know what a search bar is. In your business, power washing is a keyword. If I was looking for pizza today, I would have typed pizza in there and it would have brought up all the pizza places down here. So as I mentioned, your power wash company, Puma Power Wash, is in the number one ranked spot right now. And you're down here in the fourth, fourth spot, fifth, depending how you look at it. But you could be up here very easily because, like we mentioned already, they only have 600 some words in their website. Now, down here is what's referred to as the organic search area. And I'm just going to kind of scroll through here to see if I can find Puma and or your company down here. Because according to Google, this is the first place that people are going to click on right here to find what they're looking for. So again, I'm going to look for Puma and power cleaning. And so far, I'm not seeing either one of you. And again, that's a good thing for you. Um, Now, we're on the first page here. I'm going to skip over the second page just to see. And again, I'm not seeing either one of you right off the top here. So again, that's a good thing for you guys. Um, because that again is going to make it much easier for you guys to outrank your number one competitor out there. And again, I'm not seeing any of them. So again, people normally don't even go into this second spot down here. They like to click on these spots up here. Again, this is according to Google. So what I'm going to do now is go over here to another tool I use. This tool is called Ahrefs. And what this tool does is it tells me everything about a website. As you can see, I have your URL typed in here and your company right in here. From what I'm seeing, you only have one organic word. And remember, organic words are anything that you type into a toolbar to find what you're looking for. And again, I'm only seeing one organic word from your business. And what that's doing for you is bringing you in zero amount of dollars off your web page. I'm going to highlight this just so you can read it quick. Now I'm going to go over here to your number one competition, and I'm going to do the same thing. You can see I have their information in here, and they have 29 organic words, and that's why they're outranking you. But off of their website alone, it's bringing them up $138 per month. Now I'm going to just click on their keywords just to see what they are. This will take a second to load. And here we go with the keywords. So they have pressure washing, again, keywords. Power washing. See how they just switch things around a little bit here? Power washing business. So this is how many people are looking at these keywords on Google search. So their best one is power washing business. It's bringing them in about $250 a month. But you can see also these two up here are putting them in the fourth position, and they use their name here, and it's putting them in the sixth position. So again, from what I'm seeing here, it's going to be very easy for your company to outrank Puma because they don't have a lot going on in either the Mapit area or down here in the organic search area. So what I'm going to suggest to you, first of all, I would probably put, I see you got your phone number up here, and I see you have your contact, which is good, but I don't, maybe up in this area or down in this area over here, or even on this header right here, I would put your full contact information that you have. And I don't see a business site either. So I would even possibly put your address in this area right here as well. So with this in mind, I'm going to let you go, but I think you can see the power of organic words and the dollar amount. Like I said, your competition's bringing in like $138 a month through their website, but I've seen, I'm not going to wait for that. I've seen this into the $15,000 and $20,000 area. Now that's all depends on how much work you want to put into your organic words and how many words you have on your website. But again, I know you could definitely do a lot better than the $138 that they're bringing in. I'm going to say with the proper keywords, proper words on your website, this dollar amount can go up to easily $1,500, if not more, per month just from your website. And it's something that you already have up. You might as well put it to work. I thank you for your time, and you have yourself a great day.